Let's be honest. When most people think about loans, the first thing that comes to mind is stress. Monthly payments, interest rates, due dates. It can feel like a never-ending cycle. But here's the truth. Loans don't have to be the thing that keeps you awake at night. In fact, when you understand how to use them wisely, they can become one of the most powerful tools to change your life. Take mortgage refinancing, for example. Your home isn't just where you live. It's often the biggest investment you'll ever make. By refinancing your mortgage at the right time, you could lower your interest rate, cut years off your loan, or free up extra cash through a home equity loan. That's money back in your pocket every single month. Money you can put toward your family, your future, or even just a little peace of mind. Or think about the weight of student loans. For millions of people, student debt feels like a mountain too heavy to climb. But it doesn't have to be permanent. With student loan refinancing or student loan consolidation, you can simplify everything into one payment, often with a lower APR loan. Suddenly, the mountain doesn't feel quite so impossible anymore. You're not just surviving it, you're moving past it. And then there are personal loans. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes you need help fast. A medical bill, a car repair, or just a pile of credit card balances that's gotten out of control. A personal loan with low interest can give you the breathing room you need. Better yet, a debt consolidation loan can take all those different payments and wrap them into one manageable bill. One payment, one date, one clear path forward. But here's the part most people don't talk about. Not all loans are created equal. Secured loans might give you lower rates because they're backed by collateral like your house or car, but that means there's more on the line if you can't pay. Unsecured loans, like many personal loans, don't require collateral but rely heavily on your credit score. And if your score isn't perfect, you might be offered bad credit loans, which can help in the short term, but usually come with much higher rates. That's why choosing the right lender matters. Traditional banks, credit unions, and modern online lenders are all competing for your business. The smart move? Compare. Use loan calculators to see how much you'll really pay. Look at loan pre-approval offers to find out what's realistic for your credit profile. Don't just grab the first offer because it's fast. Grab the right offer because it saves you money, time, and stress. At the end of the day, a loan is more than a contract. It's a decision about your future. Will it weigh you down or will it lift you up? That choice is in your hands. By refinancing at the right time, consolidating wisely, and always aiming for low APR loans from trusted lenders, you can turn borrowing into a stepping stone instead of a stumbling block. Because here's the thing, a loan isn't just about dollars and interest rates. It's about people. It's about families finding stability, students chasing education, homeowners creating security, and everyday people building the life they deserve. So the next time you hear the word loan, don't think stress, think strategy. Because with the right strategy, that loan doesn't control you. You control it.